Hey family, what's up? This is Drew from Smith Shot Films, the show that gives you tips, tutorials, and reviews for beginner filmmakers. I love my Zoom. This is the H1n Zoom Recorder, and it's the best budget recorder around. This thing comes in at less than $100. In my opinion, the best thing you can do to improve your videos is improving the audio. So it's compact and inexpensive, and it has built-in features that make you sound amazing. So like I said, this is an awesome little recorder. It has a stereo mic that works great. The layout is very simple and easy to use. It has a 3.5 millimeter line in where you can plug in headphones to monitor the audio levels, and a line out where you can connect an external microphone like a lav mic. And if you connect a lav mic, you can easily record audio when you are too far away from the camera's microphone to get great sound. Or you can just put it right on your desk and use it kind of like a podcast microphone. Then whenever you get ready to edit your video, you just sync it up and you got great audio. Just be sure to make a noise like clapping your hands, or use a clapper board so that you have a reference point to sync to. Now there's a bunch of buttons on the front of this that activate different features, and I'll go over some of the ones that I use. The two main features I use are the limiter and the low cut. So what these do is basically control the level of audio that's being recorded, allowing you to add polish to your recordings. The limiter can prevent distortion by controlling how loud sounds get, while the low cut filter helps eliminate wind noise, blowing, or other kinds of low frequency rumbles. It's great if you're working in a room where there's an air conditioner running or a refrigerator humming in the background. There's a gain button on the front that you can turn and adjust the volume of the recording if you need to, but the low cut and the limiter will do that for you automatically. My favorite feature is how portable this thing is. You can connect it to a lav mic and walk all around wherever you are and get great sound no matter how far you are from the camera. On the back there's a 1/4 screw hole, so you can attach the H1n to a tripod or use it as a boom mic. As long as you're 2 or 3 feet from your subject, you're going to get great sound. And I think that does wonders for your video, because video is essentially two main parts: what you see and what you hear. So with a 32 gigabyte SD card in the Zoom H1n, I get about 60 hours of high quality wave recording. And a medium quality MP3, the H1n shows 999 hours. And I suspect it's because it can only show that much, not because that's how much it can hold. So you can adjust that depending on the quality of the audio that you want to record and get much longer times. For added safety, the power switch has a hold position that disables the front panel button to prevent you from accidentally starting or stopping the recording or changing the settings. There's an LED screen on the front that lights up with a little red light so that you know when you're recording, and you can see all your information day or night. The H1n runs on 2 AAA batteries, or you can plug it into a wall outlet with an AC adapter. But I think the real value of the H1n is that it's portable, so if you use batteries, you can place this thing anywhere. It has a simple big red giant record button, and a little light comes on when you're recording. Each recording is labeled with a track number, and you can just press the play button to hear the recording. I've taken the H1n and taped it to the end of a mop handle and used it as a boom mic. If you make videos for YouTube or you make films on a budget, get like 2 or 3 of these, because you can place these around the room close to your actors and be sure to catch the sound wherever you're at. Then all you have to do is sync it up in post when you edit. Okay family, I just wanted to do a really quick product review of the best audio solution for videos under $100. I do really love this H1n Zoom recorder. This isn't a sponsored video. I just really wanted to share this with you. And if you want to pick up this H1n Zoom, I'll put links in the description. If you use those links, I'll get a small commission, but it doesn't cost you anything, and it helps support this channel so I can bring more quality videos for you. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing, turn on the notifications, and hit that like button, because that will help me out a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, one more thing before I go. Let me know in the comments if you have any experience using the H1n Handy Recorder, and how did it work out? Some B-roll.
Cheers, honey.
Cheers. It's called 360 Go, and it's a little like camera that's like this big. Talk about camera stuff. Just tune me out. Nobody else to talk to about it.
You have a whole community of people talking about it.
It's so small. It's an action.
Yeah, I heard about the GoPro.
And we also have like a landing.
Great.
Deep stuff, so I thought it's that. It's very unintuitive. Well, I mean, they just, won't look.
That's what I worry about. It's just that I'm thinking, is he going to film this or is he going to go on a date with me?
Yeah, both. Just go. You don't care. You like that. So.